This is the traditional housing we normally put in with a traditional trim.
Yep.
Nice, simple, does the job, but when you install the housing, the drywall goes around this lip, and then you install the trim sticks over the drywall.
Right. So the square look gives us the modern look, but we don't get completely flush.
Correct.
We actually have something sitting,
Exactly.
even if it's only a 1/16 of an inch.
But it does stick down a little
Right.
bit.
And so our goal is to get it completely flush with the drywall, and you're going to use this one?
So that's where this housing comes in. So in order to get it completely flush, we take this housing, install it in the ceiling. The drywall will get cut around this square flange, flush with this top edge.
So we'll come up to this dimension right there.
Correct.
Yep.
When that's done, after the blue board's applied, this will be inserted so it can be plastered over.
And this looks like sort of the corner bead material. It'll
Exactly.
skim right up to it.
Yep.
Barely see about a 1/16 or a 32nd of an inch right there. Thickness of the plaster. Perfectly
Exactly.
flush.
And then when all said and done, the trim will slide inside of that, so it has a very clean, flat look on the ceiling.
Okay. And so this is going up now, right?
It is. So the first thing we have to do is wire this housing before it can go up in the ceiling. So now that we have the wire in the connector, we're going to use wire nuts just to attach the wires.
So just regular line voltage coming in, and then does it have some sort of a driver inside here?
Correct. The actual LED driver is part of the trim assembly that goes in.
Gotcha.
Once this is all set, then we can install it in the ceiling.
So obviously the critical dimension is to get the depth of this right here accurate.
Correct. So the flange comes in at 1 3/4 from the factory.
Yeah.
And we want that to sit flush with the blue board before it gets plastered. So we have 3/4 inch strapping. We're going to have 1/2 inch blue board that leaves a 1/2 inch. In this case, that'll be about where this joist is right now. So we want to put this housing flush with this joist, and that should get us close to our depth.
And you're able to do that because of these wing nuts on the side.
We have adjustments on the side where we can raise or lower the housing.
Yeah. All right. So is that at its final location?
This is where we're leaving it for now. We have the rough measurements set, and before the blue board goes on, we'll come in and make the final adjustments to make sure everything sits just right.
Just tweak everyone in the house.
That's it.
All right. So what number is this?
This is number 40.
So we got like 40 more to go?
40 more to go.
All right, thank you. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.